Learn easy English, one scene at a time. Perfect for beginners and kids. Episode 5. The Kidnapped Daughter. The months passed quietly. The months passed quietly. The husband lived with a heavy heart. The husband lived with a heavy heart. The wife also felt uneasy. The wife also felt uneasy. But they were waiting for a child. But they were waiting for a child. A spring day then came. A spring day then came. The sky was bright and clear. The sky was bright and clear. Inside the house, things were very busy. Inside the house, things were very busy. Neighbors also gathered. Neighbors also gathered. The wife stayed very strong. The wife stayed very strong. The husband prayed outside. The husband prayed outside. Soon a crying sound was heard. Soon a crying sound was heard. It was a baby's voice. It was a baby's voice. The husband shed tears. The husband shed tears. The wife also began to smile. The wife also began to smile. It was a healthy baby girl. It was a healthy baby girl. Her small hands were moving. Her small hands were moving. The husband held his daughter. The husband held his daughter. The wife looked gently at her. The wife looked gently at her. The two were very happy. The two were very happy. Their long wish came true. Their long wish came true. At that moment, the door sounded. At that moment, the door sounded. The house became very quiet. The house became very quiet. The husband's face turned pale. The husband's face turned pale. The time of the promise had come. The time of the promise had come. The door slowly opened. The door slowly opened. The witch stood there. The witch stood there. Her long robe was moving. Her long robe was moving. The wife held the baby tight. The wife held the baby tight. The witch spoke coldly. The witch spoke coldly. You have not forgotten the promise. You have not forgotten the promise. The husband looked down. The husband looked down. The wife shook her head. The wife shook her head. We cannot give this child. We cannot give this child. The witch narrowed her eyes. The witch narrowed her eyes. A promise is a promise. A promise is a promise. The air in the house felt frozen. The air in the house felt frozen. The husband let tears fall. The husband let tears fall. The wife cried out and wept. The wife cried out and wept. But the witch stepped forward. But the witch stepped forward. She lifted the baby in her arms. She lifted the baby in her arms. The baby cried softly. The baby cried softly. The wife reached out her hand. The wife reached out her hand. The husband also tried to stop her. The husband also tried to stop her. But the witch was too strong. But the witch was too strong. Wind blew through the room. Wind blew through the room. The next moment, she vanished. The next moment, she vanished. Silence remained in the house. Silence remained in the house. The girl's name was Rapunzel. The girl's name was Rapunzel. The witch gave her that name. The witch gave her that name. A new fate had begun. A new fate had begun. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.